What's up, guys, and welcome back to another channel. And baby, I'll catch y'all up on some other things. But anywho, we're back with another review. And you know, when I see this good old orange box that look like Louis Vuitton, you already know who coming through. XrsBeauty in the building. You know, I just love working with you guys. When I see this orange box, I know it's coming through. But anywho, let's get into it. Okay. They sent me some goodies, of course. They sent me some scrunchies for the hair, a comb, ooh, black, a cap, elastic band strap, and a comb. And they also want me to show y'all some things as well because, you know, we have a new lace going on here. Okay? So, we are working with new clear lace, baby. So, let me show y'all how new clear lace works. So, I'm going to put me a swaddle on my hand, like that. Put me a swaddle, and I'm going to just rub that in. Rub that in. Okay? We're going to rub that in until they get nice and good. A nice, good swaddle. Baby. Okay? And then we're going to lay that down. Okay? And then we're going to spray it down. Because we want to show y'all how good the product really works, right? We want to show y'all how it works. Okay? That part. Okay? Show you how it really, really, really works. And you know we got to let it dry. It ain't dry, so let it dry. I'm going to let that dry. Okay. Let that dry, honey. Because I want y'all to see the results on how good this lace is. You can barely see it now. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So look, baby. That's what we're looking for. Nuclear lace. Okay? We want to be invisible. You hear what I'm saying? We want that to be invisible. Check that out. Don't that look good? Baby. You gonna clock me where? Unclockable. Baby, unclockable. That's what we want. We want that. Right there. You hear me? We want that. Okay? So let's get into this hair that we got going on. Let's get into this hair. Okay? We are working with a what? SKU. I think it's a 12. You gotta learn how it is. We got the length 26 inches. Girl, 200 density. Y'all better stop spoiling me like this. Y'all gotta stop spoiling me like this. Y'all spoiling me. Okay? Baby, check, girl. And she heavy. One thing about her, she is heavy. Okay? Check out that. Check out that lace. Honey, let me, y'all can't see nothing. Let me bring y'all down because y'all can't. Seem like y'all can't even see. But look at that. Look at that. Girl, it has combs inside. As you can see, it has the combs. It has, what, 2, 3, 4, and it also has a strap down there as well, okay? Baby, and it also have these two things as well, just in case you want to add an extra band on top of it. You don't want to get the grip or whatever. But baby, 26 inches. It don't get no better than that. Now let's put it on. Let me show you how it looks when we put it on. She's heavy. And she is full. She ready to hit the road. Let it pull. Baby, hold on. Let me see, because y'all not really, let me bring y'all up close. Because when I put this on, it's giving, she ready to blend on in. Look. That's what we're looking for. Oh, honey, you would think I just grew, look how that blends in. You would think I just grew this out of my scalp. Baby, she's ready and slayed. Y'all know what we got to do. Let's go on to the kitchen. This thing recorded. I don't know if it is or ain't. Oh, okay. There y'all go. It is recorded. All right. So, we back with the unit. I did add some plexiglass in because I need a little emphasis, little girl. So let me put it on for y'all. Let me show y'all what is Girl, I didn't even put the whole thing on, but it gave scalp immediately. Look, it gave scalp immediately, honey. Wait a minute. Girl, immediately she gave scalp. Girl, she gave scalp immediately. Look at that. Brilliant. It is fantastic. I'm a blush. I'm in shock. Let's go fully glue it on. Come on. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, honey, look at me, looking fab. Okay, so I guess my got to be glue or whatever, and or gel. That's what it's called, what it is. So I just go ahead and slick that back, or as you can see. Okay, honey. Now the gel does really works for me. And clearly works for whoever that's using it. But anywho, so I go ahead and put me a nice coat on there because, you know, I try to put it as thick as much as I can on there because the thicker the better because it's going to hold it, you know. So once I lather that up, then I go ahead and just add in some spray. And once I add in the spray, it just kind of really gives it that hold that we're really looking for, you know. So you don't really have to use the glue. You could just use this instead. This is the best thing they ever made in the world, really. So what I do is spray me a couple coats and we're good to go. Then it's time for the unit. So then I just take my unit, whatever, after the gel and sprayed and kind of nice little dry, whatever. So then I just go ahead and really slide that on there so that way it can have that effect. And one thing about this, it does not come through the lace. That's what I love about the gel. It does not come through the lace, whatever. So it works really good. So I'm just holding this on here so it can dry or whatever. And then I take my headband, my scarf, whatever you want to call it, and I just pretty much tie that on there so it can give that hold that it needs. And then once that's done holding, I just take it on off, rip me out the plastic. Okay? Then, as you can see how the effects it looks like it's literally growing my scalp. I took my curl down. I mean, it looks good. Like, you can't help it. Hello? Look at this. Anyway, I got too excited. So, it's going time to cut the lace. So, this is where I go ahead and cut my lace, whatever. And then you'll be able to see the original effect to this. Now, cutting this lace was very easy, you know. I try not to cut too far back. You know, I want to have some space for my lace, whatever, you know. So I try to cut as much as on the line as possible, so that way I can still have that effect and that illusion that this is looking real out my scalp, because it is, okay? And so I just cut all that excess off and we good to go. Then I added some spray, some holding spray, because that's just going to help it even more, you know, after you cut it. So then once I'm done with that, I'll just pretty much tie it down and let it hold for about a good couple minutes. Once that's done holding, then we're good to go. We're good to go for the curls and stuff like that. So then I go ahead and reveal and take that off or whatever, and then we done. Hey, girl, I done got my life, as you can see, ready to talk about it, ready to be about it, and all of those things. So, yeah, this is something, you know. It's really giving me life. So I'm brushing through it because I want y'all to see how much that realness it looks. It looks very much real. So that is the exciting part about that. Honey, this is done. This is magical. Let's go talk about the product. Okay, guys, I am back. Honey, do you see what I see? I just grew this literally about a good minute ago. You know, they don't take long to grow. Oh, that's a little hair I gotta pull. Y'all, if I don't get a man looking like this, I'm gonna have to do it myself. Look at this. Let me tell you something. I know I always give y'all the good stuff, but when I'm doing this, and when it look like this, it ain't got, first of all, it ain't got to look too perfect. Long as looking realistic, okay? That, I'm trying to do some edges though. But look at this. As long as it's looking realistic. That's all that mattered to me. Baby, realistic. Like, this is mine. This is mine. I grew this. This is mine. But I also want to share it with y'all too as well, because you can buy it too. Click the link in the description bar. Tell them I sent you, because you want some of this, girl. 26 inches of hair. Girl! 26 inches of hair, girl. Honey. And if you're shorter than me, it's coming to your body. Luscious hair, girl. Luscious hair. Let me just show y'all the back. Girl. Don't play with her. I got to go somewhere. Somebody got to see me. I don't know who gonna see me, but somebody got to see me, honey. That's just how it plays out. Look at, girl. If nobody don't take me on a date, I'm going to take myself out first. I think it's the red, too. The red kind of... I think it's the red. It's definitely the red hair. I'm going to keep this shirt on. Hey, babe. Come on through. See y'all later, honey. I'll be back. You know I'll be back. Making sure that you can't clock me. This is mine. I just do this. XrsBeauty.
Thank you for your service.